Hi guys, third take of the same video, trying to make it shorter now. Look at the website, things changed, the text has been changed, but not only that, we have improved Calamares, we have improved the building process of the Kiro ISO, so have a look around. It has been polished as well. I told Claude, look at my website, see what can be curated, which is better, right? Now you are a web designer, not a Python programmer. You are a copywriter. Go check. So things have changed. I think it became more clear now for a newcomer what this is all about. But the main thing is that we've put in a day's work in analyzing what kernel should we take. Because today we have this paid section, right? The members only section. And yesterday we've made a study of an hour about kernels. And I kept on digging around and getting information because at some point in time I wanted to decide which kernel is it going to be. I started reading, comparing, asking all AIs, what do you think? What do you think? Why do you think that? And update information, finding it online, right? And we decided basically, the story should be shorter, Erik, that we want a distribution, Kiro, that has a fast, quick response, right? Stable and secure. These three matter to us, and quick response more. For me, right? But it's not for me. I've told Claude that as well. Fix my website because this is not created by the community. This is created for the community, right? Erik, NAI, Claude are giving you this ISO. And yes, it is built upon the ArconNet, the ArconLinux, ArconLinux-D, ArconLinux-B. That was a community back then. So, decision, a branch. Let's go away from Liquorix and get in CachyOS and Zen. Two valid choices. People have told me that in the past. Erik, why don't you take Zen kernel? Fine, here it is, right? Building the ISO with another kernel is a simple click thing, right? You just say that one, all right? It's just the look, a picker. Choose this one or this one, whatever you like. And then you say, I want to have the Linux-LTS. You build it locally on your computer. You have your own Kiro ISO with LTS. I'm not going to build it. You're going to build it, right? Which means flexibility, freedom, all you want. Xenmod, put the Xenmod on there. All explained here, and you know me, videos to come. So voila, that's the major change. I thought you should know, and we've been testing ever since. Claude is looking at all the systems that we install. We've done, I don't know, 20 installations since, and all is well, right? Soon the ISO will come. And if you're interested in more technical stuff, so that's the idea. The technical stuff goes in here. Those are 4 hours work, you see, 4 hours of work. How did I create the Alacrity tweak tool? Nice little thing. Ctrl-Alt-A. It makes my design. This is my personal design. Not so pale, oh so pale, right? But there are 306 designs for my Alacrity. If I'm fed up with this one, I can go to the dark, which probably I'm going to choose because light is always this, which is wow, my eyes, right? And then I'll choose one. And I'll say, okay, I'll stick with this one. And then you apply the theme, which I'm not going to do because I like my theme. All right. All these technical things will go in here. And yes, it's members only. Cheers.